like
right
you.
there.
Shut up, we're not.
And it's cute like you.
Did I hear the shake of an explosion?
You did.
It's
No! Squeeze!
knock it off or we're squirting with a squirt gun.
No!
You ran out here. I saw you run out here.
Yeah, I'm out there.
Really? I mean,
I know it's very pretty.
Oh, I just gotta listen for the door squeak
You
and then
both
I'll
have
load
long
it back
hair,
to the door.
Chris.
Squeeze!
Moron.
Wait! Squeeze! No! Squeeze! Squeeze! No! No! Squeeze!
Oh my God.
watch for my perspective.
You've been hiding that whole time.
Where's Yogi
The
now?
entire time.
It's not,
Oh,
he's
that's
not
nice.
in there.
I kept going squeak. You didn't come by.
I am nowhere.
Is that a hint?
I wish
No.
I had this cat so
I
much.
do exist.
Let's go outside.
Okay.
Yes, a water gun
I'm
fight.
having a really hard time seeing what's going on.
Oh yeah,
That's not a very good hint either. I did just discover where the barrel room is.
Well, that you did.
I'm also moving around right now.
Are you? Are you a moving barrel? Because I'm throwing barrels everywhere?
Yeah. I just ran down the stairs behind you.
Did you? Because Wade's right there.
This
So
is
I don't think
I'm gonna
that's
shoot
true.
me.
I don't think that's very true.
I don't think he's in the barrel room at all.
How do you know that? Could be. And you could just be waiting. Okay, I don't think he's in the barrel room. So, Bob, where are you?
Damn it!
Wow!
He loves playing.
It sucks.
Oh, no
when
idea.
People and you stay together.
Like this video right there on TV?
You did. You were like 10 feet.
Oh no.
Well, I can't help that he followed me.
Wait, get out of the door.
I'm trying. Go.
Are they a mannequin?
Shut up. No, no, get away. Get away. Get away. This is my idea.
What is?
This is my idea. You stay away.
No.
Stay away.
I wanted to go upstairs and be a barrel.
I'm not a barrel! You son of a bitch. Bob, I'm not up here. No matter what he said, I'm not up here. You will never find me, that backstabbing bastard.
Creepiest things.
Good, I'm glad.
You wanna fight? You wanna fight?